There's a lot of snow there, Natalie. Come on, come on.
Ready for work? 3, 2, 1.
That was such a big hill.
I think I need to clarify what the heck is going on right now, because a week ago we had like a snow day and I made a whole video about that. Well, like 2-minute video about that, which I guess I'll play now. January 20th, and it is currently 54 degrees outside and raining. How am I supposed to work with that? I'm not. This is like spring right now. This is not what I want. I do not want rain. I want snow.
It's so wet out here.